Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to discuss one of the most popular subjects that we have discussed over the past few years. Hey, my scale isn't working. What should I do first? Stay tuned to find out. Obviously, it can be frustrating when a scale stops working or doesn't work right out of the box. So what should you do when your scale isn't working? Here's what we suggest. First, slow down and take a moment and look over the scale. Make sure everything looks correct. Depending on what type of scale it is, there are a few things to look for. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the outlet and the scale. Is the outlet working correctly? Is the scale level? If it's a platform scale, is the cable connected from the digital display to the platform? Are there any cuts in the cable? Believe it or not, every now and then, shutting down a scale and waiting a couple of minutes, and then plugging the scale back into the wall will solve the problem. We sell and work on a lot of commercial weighing scale systems, and they oftentimes are utilized in some rough environments. Unfortunately, dust, dirt, and debris can build up in and around those industrial scales. When this happens, the scale may not read accurately or be able to settle on a certain weight amount. The display may show up and down fluctuations in the weight reading, or it might even display an error code on the weight indicator. So if you're able to check around or under your scale, that can be a good first step. Often if your scale is binding, you will see materials or dirt packed under the weigh bridge or near load cell stands. We've seen floor scales that were pushed up against a wall and not weighing correctly. The solution was simply moving the scale away from the wall. I hope this video has helped you. Hopefully your issue was simple and you were able to fix it. But if these suggestions didn't help, we recommend that you contact a local scale company who can diagnose the trouble. If you're in Central North Carolina and need scale repair, please visit our website, centralcarolinascale.com. Otherwise, you can just search for online scale repair near me. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.